In this video, we will discuss how to import and export data from a Generation 4 display in an S700 combine. To import data, simply take your USB stick, plug it in to the USB port on the side of the armrest. There is no USB port directly in the side of the display. Also, keep in mind there are two USB ports next to the side console. One is for the display, one is for the radio. Once the USB drive is installed, it will ask us if we would like to import data, export data, or install software. First, I will go ahead and say I want to import data. For example, if I wanted to import setup information, including fields and variety locator information. Once I select import, the display will ask me would I like to import from USB drive, or I also have the ability to import receive files from my John Deere Operations Center if I wirelessly send files to the machine. In this case, I'm going to import from USB drive, select next, then it will let me see the different profiles that are on the machine. Then I can choose the one I would like to import. Select next. Then I will have the ability to look at the selected setup file and determine what parts of the setup file I would like to bring into the display. Keep in mind on a Generation 4 display, when you bring in a new setup file, previous setup file information will perpetuate on the display. So if I had some farms and fields in there and I load this new setup file, I will continue to have the old farms and fields as well. In order to clear the machine out, I would need to do a factory data reset if I wanted to delete all the information on the display. So we can see my setup information on this file I want to import. There's 106 guidance tracks, 33 boundaries, 7 implement profiles, 3 prescriptions, and 63 variety locator files, as well as 144 items of setup data. So if I only wanted to choose certain aspects of that, maybe I already have my boundaries, maybe I already have my implement profiles, I don't need prescriptions in the combine, but I would like to include the others, then I can go ahead and select import. After a few seconds, the display should give us a notification letting us know that the files were imported successfully. If I would like to export data from the display at the completion of the season, for yield data purposes, I can simply select export. Then I can choose what I would like to export. In most cases, we're going to want to export all data to USB drive. Keep in mind, with an S700 machine, they are equipped with JD-Link, and you can purchase a JD-Link Connect subscription in order to do wireless data transfer if you would like to wirelessly send the information to John Deere Operations Center without the need for a USB drive. In order to load information on the USB drive, select Export All Data to USB drive. Then primarily we're going to be concerned about work data. If I would like to export some of my other information, I can do that as well. Once complete, simply select Export. In this case, I'm only going to do work data. Once complete, we should get a notification letting us know the data was successfully transferred. Now go ahead and close out and remove my USB stick.